Hi, I'm here to tell you some of the tips which can help you to improve your English. If you are a learner and you want to learn English, so stay with me, watch this video till the end. So let's begin. All we know that speaking is 60% of language, so learning speaking skills matter. In this story, you will learn how to improve your English speaking by yourself. It does not matter we are beginner and we are advanced learner. These tips can help you everyone who are learning English. So go to the tips. My number one tips is listen and repeat. One of the best way to improve your English speaking skills to listen and imitate native speakers. This technique can help you to develop your ear for the language and get used to the way words are pronounced. To to practice this technique effectively, try watching English TV shows, listen to podcasts, or even just practice with English YouTube videos. You can watch or listen according to your interest, whatever you like. Repeat what you have here and try to find some question from that whatever you have watched. My, my number two tips is speak and speak more. You know that the best way to improve your speaking skills, this is speaking practice. Try to find opportunities to speak English as much as possible. Even it just with yourself, you can talk to yourself in front of mirror. You can ask yourself a question what you like where what will you do after this work. You can ask this type of question with yourself. Try to find opportunities, never miss opportunities to speak English. Don't be afraid to make mistake. The more you will practice, the more you will get result. My number three tips is build your vocabulary. Yeah, it is very hard thing to building vocabulary. Building your vocabulary is an essential part of improving your language skills. A robust vocabulary can help you to communicate more effectively, express yourself with more clearly, and understand the nuance of language more easily. Here are some tips to help you to build your vocabulary. Actually, friend, I want to say you something. I have wrote this script and sometimes when I forgot word I read from this notebook. So if I am stucking, so please forgive me. So go to the first tip to build your vocabulary. Read regularly. Reading is one of the best way to improve your vocabulary. Make a habit of reading books, articles and other written material regularly. This will help you a lot. When you will read something, you will find out new words from there and you will be able to use them. It will very help you to build your vocabulary. Number two tips is look up unfamiliar words. When you come across a word you don't know, take the time to look it up. This will help you to extend your vocabulary and improve your understanding of the language. And always stop always searching on Google of this Hindi meaning. Skip this totally. If you are searching its meaning in Hindi, you will not be able to use it. I mean to say that please every time stop using Hindi if you wanna learn English. So number three tips is use flashcard. Flashcard are the great way to learn new words and reinforce the ones you already know. When you have find out new words, you can make a flashcard and use it again and again. Number four tips is play word game. Word games are scribble, crosses, puzzles and word jumbles can be fun and effective ways to build your vocabulary. They challenge you to think about words in new creative ways and they can help you to learn new words in a fun engaging way. So these are the some tips which can help you to improve your vocabulary. Focus. My 4 tips is improving English. Don't focus on grammar. Skip this. If you are a beginner and you want to learn English, please skip to learn grammar. It is important, but it is not most important part of a become a English language learner. And one of the most important thing is immerse yourself with this language. I mean, how much you can consume content, consume it. Does not matter what you like, watch it, listen it in English, and try to find out new questions from there and ask yourself. If you have a friend group, so you can ask questions with your friends. It will really help you to improve your English. So by following these tips, you can be learn English. And I hope this podcast is helpful for you. So leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you for listening.